अरे कौन से म्यूचुअल फंड में पैसा डाले यार? There are so many different types of mutual fund. So is this question that is bothering you? Hello friends, I am Rushabh Shah, founder of Midas Finance, and today we are going to be talking about different types of mutual funds. But before we proceed to understand what is mutual fund, whether to do SIP or lump sum, we have answered those questions in our earlier video. You can find the link in the description. There are four major types of mutual funds: equity, hybrid, debt, and money market. Equity. Equity generally invests into listed companies on NSE and BSE stock exchanges. Hybrid. It is also known as balance fund. As the name suggests, hybrid or balance, it is a combination of two assets or two types of mutual fund, which is equity and debt. Debt mutual fund majorly invests into fixed income market like GSEC, government bonds, corporate bonds, and other fixed income papers. Money market. It is also known as liquid fund. As the name suggests, it is highly liquidable in nature and invests into very short-term papers like 1 week to 6 months. So which mutual fund should you invest in? The answer depends on two major questions: time and risk appetite. What is your time horizon that you want to invest for, and what is the risk appetite do you have as an investor? The answer to both these questions can help you determine which is the right mutual fund for you. To make it much more simpler, we'll try to establish each of this category as per time and the risk appetite. So let's try to understand first the risk appetite. Equity is a high risk product. Balance or a hybrid fund is a moderate risk product. Debt is a low risk product. And money market or liquid fund is the lowest risk product. Now let's look at the time component. When you think of investing into equities, you should have a minimum time horizon of 7 to 15 years. When you think of investing into hybrid, you should have a minimum time investment horizon of 3 to 7 years. Debt should generally be looked at if you're having a horizon of 6 months to 3 years. Liquid funds should have a horizon of anything between 1 week to 6 months. So dear friends, we should use time and risk as two important parameters to decide which particular mutual fund you want to invest in. To know more about mutual funds, please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.